Hey everyone, I'm Arya and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing an interesting home tour of a 4 BHK bungalow designed by Manisha and Associates. It is located in Karzat near Mumbai and designed for Mr. Kalpesh Patel and his family. The main color theme for this project is the color grey. You can see it as soon as you enter through the main gate. For now though, the most striking feature of this entrance is the angular and patterned ceiling, whose design carry forwards into the main door. We also have the combination of cladding tiles on both the sides for a warm and lovely look. Right as we come through the front door, we are blessed with the good vibes from the statues of Radhe Krishna. Now, the main theme while designing this house was revolving around the tiles. Hence, the darker grey color scheme to match with the lighter grey tiles. However, the most uniquely designed feature in this space has got to be this partition made from jali blocks but painted in various shades of pastels. This partition divides the living space from the dining and puja space. We also have the book match tiles on the TV backdrop, which by the way is flanked on both the sides by display unit boxes which house the carefully selected artifacts. Once you pass the living room, you enter the double height dining space, which is lit up with a marvelous chandelier. The open puja space just spreads positive vibes throughout the house. From the dining space, both the kitchen and puja room are visible. For the puja room, we have an intricately carved wooden devara in the middle. It is just highlighted by the use of black basalt cladding around it. Doesn't this remind you of the olden temples and their facades? It looks quite similar, doesn't it? Over here, with the use of a breakfast counter, we have slightly divided the kitchen from the dining space. The pendant lighting just add the highlights over here. We also have the mint green and white acrylic shutters for the kitchen. This paints such a serene picture and goes along well with the grey theme too. So, here we are, the guest bedroom on the ground floor. For this room, we have the grey color scheme and theme flowing from the outside to the inside. However, specifically for this room, we have mixed white with it. We have the dark grey wooden finish laminate, a white laminate, a lighter grey ceiling and the self-textured wallpaper. Beautiful, right? Now all this contrasts with the lighter grey ceiling to give that light and airy feeling. Subtlety, sophistication at its best, am I right? As I said, the dark grey wooden finished laminate, Now for these wardrobe shutters, we have used the figures of the laminate to create a geometrical pattern. And for the finishing, we have the beautiful Roman blinds with the self-designed fabric and the abstract wall art on the bed back. The staircase really stands out due to the use of black tiles against all the other white ones. First floor, the college-going son's bedroom. Simplicity at its finest. We have mixed in the teak wood laminate with the grey laminate. As you know, grey is the theme of the house. The center of attention though here is the decorative panels on the bed back with the metal inlay work. Stunning, isn't it? This, the customized wallpaper, adding a little bit of color to the room, the very important workstation and the hanging lights just add charm. Can you guys guess what this is? A wardrobe perhaps? No, it's just the shutters seamlessly bending in, concealing the hidden washroom inside. Now this is where the style meets the soul. We have tried out a little different pairing this time for the master bedroom, but it is still very stunning. We have a combination of the beige and the green. You can see it in the curtains, in this beautiful tropical wallpaper, and even in the bed back louvers. Since the tiling is very light, these colors just really pop off and make a good atmosphere. And obviously, the best space for the last. We have this wide open and spacious terrace attached to the master bedroom. If you open these doors, it almost feels like this space is an extension of the room. Coincidentally, this space is also the client's favorite space to have his evening tea. We have here a metal pergola with glass top which just lets so much light in. I think it's such a lovely feature. We also have the grey wooden finished tiles here to match the decor inside. And well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video, and a big thank you from me and everyone at Manish Shah & Associates for all the enquiries, love, encouragement and blessings. For more videos, please subscribe to Manish Shah & Associates. Until then, bye bye.